another Empties video for you guys. So I've been saving up quite a bit lately. So these products I'm going to be talking about, there's probably some of them that I might have done like an in-depth video review on them on my channel before. Alright, so let's just get started with the biggest item that I have in here, and I definitely say is this one. This is from Innisfree. This is their Vitalizing Smoothing Gel with Aloe, and I'm sure some of you guys probably heard me talk about this before, and I'm gonna probably continue to talk about this every single time when I finish a bottle. Like, this stuff right here is top-notch amazing, okay? Like, especially like if you get like a mosquito bite, you can just apply some on. If you get sunburn, you can definitely apply it on, and it'll definitely help with your sunburn. And also you can actually use this as like a lotion or like a face mask, hair mask, body lotion. There's like literally so many uses for this product. Like, in other words, you can pretty much use this product for like your whole entire body. This is like how good this product is. And if you guys have not tried this, I would highly recommend giving this a try, because this is just like a life game changer for like skincare. Alright, next we have, this is from Fab, or also known as First Aid Beauty. This is their Pure Skin Facial Cleanser, and I absolutely love using this product. I always pick one up. Like, I literally stock up on this face cleanser because I have sensitive and combination skin, and it works so well for my skin. Like, this face cleanser can pretty much work for like any type of skin that you have, like acne, oily. Like, this is such a really good face cleanser, and for some reason, you know, I have to say, I tend to use a little bit more than I'm supposed to, but after you use this, your face just feels so smooth. It doesn't dry your face or anything at all, which is why I absolutely love this face cleanser. Alright, next we have another face cleanser. This is from Glow Recipe. This is their Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and I have to say, this face cleanser is amazing. It is really good, but it is very pricey. Like, so pricey to the point where I'm just like, I use it very sparingly. Like, only when I want to like treat myself like once in a while, then I probably would use this cleanser, because it's just so expensive, but it also works really well for the skin. Like, the skin just feels so smooth, so clean. Like, it's amazing. But like I said, I use it very sparingly. Alright, next we have, this is from Fab, also known as First Aid Beauty. This is their Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. Alright, so as for this serum right here, I would have to say a little does go a long way. Like, especially if you have any like freckles like me. I have lots of freckles, and like my cheek area is like very red. I know you guys can't see this right now because I'm wearing makeup, but underneath all of this, you will see my freckles. You will see like my red lines like pop up like pretty much everywhere right here. And especially with this, like my freckles, they definitely do like reduce like the color of it. But the thing about this is that it only works especially when you don't get sun exposure. Like, let's say for instance, if you stay home, you use this product, it's going to work. But once you go outside and once the sun just hits your face, like, those dark spots will like pop up again. So I would have to say, you know, depending on you, like if you just stay home like probably what 99% of the time, like this product's gonna work. But if you go out, like even that 1% you go out, like the product is just gonna like end up like reversing itself. So I would say it could be worth it, and also it could not be worth it, just depending on you. Alright, next we have, this is also from First Aid Beauty. This is their Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. So I'm sure you probably noticed, like, there's a lot of First Aid Beauty products in here. Like, I am a huge fan of First Aid Beauty products. I love their products. They just work so amazing for my skin, but sometimes some of them, they do fail on me, okay? So especially for this collagen cream right here, so when I first used it, I did notice a difference in my skin. It did look more plump, it looked more hydrated, but then afterwards, especially like 2.5 months into it, I noticed that my skin just kind of like stayed the same. Like, it didn't get plump anymore. It didn't look more like radiant or anything at all. So this product did work for me in the beginning, but then it just like stopped working for me. So if you would ask me, will I purchase this again, I would definitely say no, I'm not gonna purchase this again, because this is a bit more pricier and a little more like high end, but the product just didn't work as well as I wanted to. Like, comparing it to the Ultra Repair Cream that I absolutely love using, like that one just works really well. And if you're wondering what am I talking about, this is what I'm talking about. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, and this works wonders. Like, especially if you were to compare these two together, I would definitely say go for this one, especially this one's more affordable and it just works a lot better. All right, next we have these two items. They are from the brand Oplex. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. These are their Balm Maintenance Shampoo, and oh my gosh, these shampoos right here, they are very expensive. These are like by far the most expensive shampoos I have tried and used to date. So I actually got this during the 20% sale, which was last year, and I would have to say, like, I didn't really understand the hype of these shampoos until I tried it for myself, and I was like, wow, this shampoo is amazing. Like, first of all, like, it cleans your hair so well to the point where like there's like days like I can just like skip days and like not wash my hair. My hair still looks really good. And typically I wash my hair probably like 2 to 3 days. I used to wash it like every other day, but after using these shampoos, like I can literally go without shampooing for like 3 days. That's just like how crazy and amazing this shampoo is. And obviously you don't need a lot, you just need just a little squeeze and you're pretty much good to go. Especially like when you use it, you make sure you need to lather really well, especially like the roots right here. This is like where it's like the most important, like has like the most oil, has like the most dirt, and you don't really need to like apply shampoo like down here or anything at all. Like the main point right here is like right here, and I guarantee you, your hair will be so clean. Like I couldn't even believe it myself. Like, yes, these shampoos are very expensive, but you know what, they help me. I don't have to wash my hair that often now. So you know, I think it's personally for me, like this is like an investment and I don't mind spending it, especially like if it does like, you know, help me save like on the water bill and stuff. But also, yes, I know this is very expensive, but I just really enjoy using this product. All right, next we have, this is from The Ordinary. This is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus BH. So I typically use this for my morning skincare routine, and I have to say, at first when I started using it, I was like, what is the hype all about? You know, I just feel like it didn't do much to my skin. And then finally I noticed after using the whole entire bottle, my skin has been transformed. Like, especially, okay, let's talk about the price. The price of this is so affordable if you were to compare it to like other products similar to this like on the market. Like, this one is by far the most affordable one, and it works really well. And your skin, especially when you apply it on, like it's definitely gonna sink into your skin. It will help like grab onto the product a lot longer, which is actually really great. Alright, next we have, this is from Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, Brightening Plus Firming. So this is a very small size. This is a 5 ml, which is 0.17 fluid ounce. So I actually got this as a sample when I ordered something online, and I literally did not expect them to give you so much, because this actually took me like 4 months to finish, because you only need very little. So I would just take a Q-tip and then I'll just like swipe some, then put it under my eye and just tap it and just like rub it in. And I have to say, like, it does brighten your eyes, you know, especially like if you're really tired, it does help with that. And I really do enjoy using this product. It does work really well, but the problem is that like it's very expensive, but it works well. So I'm not really sure if I do want to purchase this product again. Like I kind of do, but then I also kind of don't want to, because I'm just like considering like the price of this. It is a little bit expensive for me. All right, next we have, this is one of my absolute favorite products. I feel like I talk about this like so much now, especially like in my Empties video. This is the Jack Black Intense Lip Balm in Shea Butter. Like, for those of you guys who have been watching my Empties videos and who have not purchased this lip balm, please go out and purchase this, because this is like the best, and I mean like the best, #1 lip balm that I have tried and used to date. As you guys know, I try a lot of lip products, and this lip balm right here will make your lips amazing, especially if you do wear like a lot of lip products like I do. Like, it just helps you like rejuvenate your lips. Your lips don't feel dry or anything at all. It's very nice and smooth. And you know what, I like to apply this whenever my lips feel dry. There's some days, sometimes, you know, where I do forget to like apply on the lip balm, but this lip balm can literally just last you a whole day. So what I mean is, like, for instance, you apply in the morning, and then at night you can just apply it again right before you go to sleep, and your lips will stay hydrated. Like, please go out and purchase this if you have not. I guarantee you, you will definitely really love it as much as I do. All right, so we have one more item. So this is from Sugar Rush. This is their cake batter whipped botti butter. So for those of you guys who don't know the brand Sugar Rush, it is actually a line from Tarte Cosmetics. It's a more affordable line, and I have to say, I got this as a sample to try and use, and I would say this is such a good body lotion. Like, it literally just like blew my mind. Like, I didn't really expect much from this, because as you guys know, I love the Sol de Janeiro body lotion, the Bum Cream. Like, it's so expensive, but this one is actually very similar to that. And for the price of this, like, this one's obviously is a more affordable one versus the Sol de Janeiro one. And you know what, I'm definitely going to pick up like a full size of this, you know, to use, because I just love it so much. Like, your skin just feels so smooth. It sinks in really nice. You know, it smells very sweet, like gummy candy bears, which is like amazing. Alright, so that is actually it for all the Empty products that I have for you guys today. So feel free to let me know what Empty products you guys have finished, or you're close to finishing, or did we have like the same products that we end up finishing together? I would love to hear that. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I should catch you guys later. Bye.